Hi, so welcome to this session on Facebook profile versus Facebook business page. So if you are completely new to Facebook profile or Facebook page, so this is the session for you. So let me take you directly to the platform. Let's discuss about what is Facebook profile. So Facebook profile, I'm sure all of you are aware, most of you have account on Facebook. So this is your Facebook profile, right? So here in Facebook profile, this is your personal profile where you will get posts from your friends, relatives, and so you will see even advertisements. So this is basically your Facebook profile, and the basic features of this Facebook profile is, for example, I have getting this confirmation for friend request from Piyush Jain. So what will happen if I confirm this one? Then I will see all the posts shared by Piyush, as well as Piyush will see all the posts shared by me. Right. So this is the basic function of Facebook profile. Similarly, on my profile only I can work, so I cannot create another user ID and password of my profile, and anyone else can also work on my profile. So only an individual can work in a profile. What happens sometimes, many people, they start some business, or it can be tuition classes or institute, and instead of making Facebook business page, they make Facebook profile page, like something like this. So there are limitation of it. The biggest limitation is, if you make your customers your friends on Facebook, on your profile page, what will happen? You will see all their posts and they will see all the posts from your side, right? So that is why it is highly recommended for any business purpose not to create Facebook profile page, but we need to create Facebook business page. So I will take you to the business page, and how to create a business page. For this, we have already shared pre-classroom notes on how to create Facebook business page, but here I'm going to tell you the benefits of Facebook business page. So what happened? Most of the education institute, if you go to their website, you will find their page. All right. So here, this is one page of Simply Learn, and I can see how many like their likes. So I can see there are 3,60,000 likes are there on their page, and 3,65,000 followers are there on their page. So what is a Facebook business page? Facebook business page is something like your website, right? Where anyone who's coming to my page, they can come to your page by searching from the internet. For example, I may search Simply Learn and I will go to their page, right? Even one can come from the website as well, right? Let me go to Simply Learn website, and on their website, generally these social signals or social platform navigation they are given over here. Follow us. If I click onto this, this is Facebook icon. If I click onto this, I will reach to their Facebook page. So the best part of Facebook page is, I as a audience or as a viewer, I have to decide whether I want to receive any post from them or not. In case I want more posts from their page, what can I do? I can like their page. So what will happen? If I like, if I follow, I may start seeing more posts from Simply Learn on my personal profile page. So, but it does not mean that Simply Learn will also see your post. No, that is possible only in Facebook profile, because we are making the friends. Here we are not making the friends. Here, if a customer is liking your page, they can come, they can like your page, they can follow your page. And so this is the biggest USP of creating a separate Facebook business page. Other part is that not necessary every time I'll be posting some content on my Facebook business page. So even I can create another account and I can share the user ID and password of those that account with my colleagues. So even they can share the post on the same business page. And the third part is that all of us can together can build this page, and we can share the credential, we can share the path of this business page everywhere, so that we can start getting more and more likes and follow. If I get more and more likes and follow, what does it mean? Whenever I'm going to put any post on this page, like from here, most of them may see my post. So that is the thing. And the fourth thing, you need a business page in case you want to start any advertisement on Facebook. Like on our Facebook profile page, we see lots of advertisement. Okay, so here I am there on my home page. If I go down, I'll see, let me go, here I can see one advertisement is there on my post, that is from brilliant.org, right? So even if you have to do the advertisement of anything on social media, then you need to have a page, then only you can do the advertisement. So for example, if I click onto this brilliant.org, you will see this is not a Facebook profile, but this is a Facebook page. So here you can see this is a Facebook page. In case I want to like, I can like it. So on Facebook page, we don't make the friends, but we like them. We like the business, or we can do the follow up with them. So this is overall about Facebook business page and Facebook profile. So for more information, what I want, you go and check your profile, what exactly all features are available in your profile, and go and search for some businesses. You can write Simplilearn, or you can write Tech for Educators, and you can search for the businesses. So that's all for this session.